Assalamualaikum. Hello level 2. This is your class teacher Miss Wajiha from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. Hope my dear students you all are doing well and safe at your home. This is your English literature unit and today first of all open your English literature book page number 23. Alright. So today we are starting our chapter number 5. Last chapter of unit number 4, the cat and the parrot, and the chapter number 5 name is a hole in his cot. Before we start the story, let's revise the previous chapters. Actually, the summary of the chapter is cat was very mean. One day, cat and parrot had decided to invite each other for dinner. First turn was of cat and he put only a single biscuit, a little piece of fish and a small jug of milk. This is the start of the story of chapter number 1. And in the last of chapter number 1, when it was the parrot's turn, he put a big roast of meat, large pot of tea, a lot of fruits, lot of sweet little cakes, and then cat ate all of them and said, I am still hungry. So he ate a parrot, his friend too. Now in the chapter number 2, still hungry, an old woman had seen everything through the window. When she said to cat that what a terrible thing you do with your friend, cat replied, I don't care about my old friend parrot, but I'll eat you too. In the 3rd chapter, cat met with kind king, a lot of soldiers, queen and so many elephants. And in chapter number 3, he also ate all of them. In chapter number 4, cat met with 2 little land crabs. When crab said, get out of our way, old cat, otherwise we will prick you with our sharp claws. What did cat do at that time? Cat said, ho ho ho. I am not afraid of your sharp little claws. And then cat said, I'll eat you too. Now start chapter number 5, last chapter, a hole in his cot. When the land crabs got down inside the cat, they began to look around. It was a dark, but they could just see the kind king, sitting in one corner inside the cat, and the queen was sitting next to him inside the cat. Near them, which means near kind king and queen, were the soldiers marching around and stepping on each other's toes. Elephants were there too, and they were still trying to walk in toes, but they couldn't because there was no room or no space to walk. In another corner sat the old woman inside the cat. There was also a man and his donkey. And also there was a lot of little cakes, and on top of them sat the cute little parrot. Crabs said to each other that let's start work. Then land crab snip snap snip snap. This is the cutting voice. Snip snap snip snap snip snap. With their sharp little claws, they began to make a hole inside the cat. As you can see in the picture, this is on your page number 23 on their right side. Snip snap snip snap snip snap. They kept on working. until the hole was big enough to get through. Then they ran out. Two little land crabs, king, queen, soldier, elephants, old lady, donkey, a man and a parrot. Then everyone walked out. First walked the king with the queen. Out marched the soldiers. Out came the elephants, 2 by 2. Out came the man, hitting his donkey to make it go faster. Out walked the old women, and last of all, out flew the parrot, holding a cake in each claws. Look, 1, 2, holding cake. Look at this. This is the yellow piece of cake. 1 cake, 2 cake. Holding a piece of cake or 2 cakes in each claw. My dear student, do you remember that these are the 2 cakes? That 2 cakes was all he wanted. The poor cat went home and got a needle and some thread. He had to spend the rest of that day sewing up the hole in his cot. Now, my dear students, our story is ended here. Hope you understand the story and you feel it is a very interesting. I am giving you the homework of 2 questions in your student WhatsApp group. Secondly, we will discuss whole story and also do some exercises in the next class. Inshallah. My dear students, take very good care of yourself. Stay blessed, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.